to make AI video, it's very easy. So watch this video. Today we show you how to do this.
Step 1. Go to Google and type leonardo.ai. Go to Create Account, then click. Yes, I am right listed. Go to Image Generator. Now it's time to give prompt which type of picture we want. iGenerator gives us unbelievable results. Let's start. A cute young girl wearing light pink shirt, black jeans, sitting in office, tablet in front, using laptop. Click on Fine-Tune Model and select 3D animation style. Now it's time to generate. Click on Generate. Now you have choice to select your picture and download your best one. Step 2. No, we need voice for a girl. You can record here, or you can also upload a recorded voice. Let's record here. Voice. If you want to make videos, it's very easy. So watch this complete video. Today, we show you how to do this. We need voice. For that, we go to Google. Here we type Matter Voice XYZ. Log in with 3 version. Click on Convert Your Voice. You can upload your voice. Either is recorded or record your voice here. Now, select your type of voice. Either you want a boy or a girl. Then click on Convert. Here the converted voice is ready and saved to your drive. Step 3. Now we need talking photo. Again, we go to Google and search Hagen AI. We use Hagen for free. We are here for using only free tools. What's your favorite login? How to sign up? Click on Upload, Taking Photo. Select from your drive, which you have already made from leonardo.ai, and upload. Click on Talking Photo and select Portrait View. Click on Picture, then right-click, click on Circle View. Then select Half Body, Enlarge Photo. There are very options. You also give expression. Select Happy Face. Now it's time for uploading converted voice, which we converts from Meta Voice. You can also type script here, but we have already converted voice. So click on Audio Script, select Voice and upload. Finally, we submit and it takes some time. Here the video is ready now. Download boom. II talking. Video is ready.
If you want to make AI video, it's very easy. So watch this video. Today we show you how to do this.
Thank you, Wu.